What we said, again, here's Adam.
I suppose you have to take into all accounts. If they don't use the tree for anything other than to cut it away to put it in a satellite dish, then yeah, it's immoral.
I think the problem is if you cut down a tree for a satellite dish is your values, like you're valuing.
Or if you want to sell your house, and people are like, oh, I don't like that tree.
So you just sell your house.
So you just chop down the tree.
Yeah, there's some things that I think are permissible, like if the tree's going to knock down your house, if the tree's going to hit your house, then yeah, you probably maybe should get rid of the tree and move it somewhere else. But I think it's about your values. Like you should value the environment or the environment around your area more than the convenience of your home, whether or not you have satellite TV. I mean, entertainment over environment, entertainment over beauty. I don't.
It always back to car, the same thing like with cars, like you live in.
What's Melanie? Yeah, Melanie. Like Melanie said, you have to take in everything that is going on.
What they're going to do with the tree.
But I would always say that it's
they're going to reuse the tree.
But valuing the environment or valuing entertainment or whatever above the environment, I'd say that's always immoral. Has anyone here ever heard of microlending? I know Matt, you have. Patrick, yeah, okay.
We were in the class.
I know, you guys are together. Microlending is another thing. We have a table over there for microlending for this organization called Kiva, and there's going to be a presentation at 1:15, so if you want to
That's why we said you have to take into account every single consequence of the action you're going to do, like cut down the tree. What you're going to use the tree for, what is the tree doing to you or to your environment, if it's affecting you at all. You have to take into account every single little thing. So I don't think it's immoral in every single case, or moral in every single case, to cut down a tree, but
I disagree.
I think you have to take into account everything.
I don't think you have to take into account everything. And this is
To know whether it is moral or immoral.
yeah, I don't agree because we've talked about a couple different things. One, what kind of person would you be if you cut down the tree? And two, what are your intentions or motives for cutting down the tree? And to go back to what, if
What
you're
if
cutting down the tree,
what if you use the tree for lumber to build a house for
but if
a
you're cutting down
homeless person?
cutting down the tree because it stops calling your house, your stewardship of the environment, you also have a responsibility to take care of yourself and those around you, and human life is more important necessarily to the life of one tree. Now, if you're willing to regrow that tree and plant another tree, then that's fine. And maybe or maybe not you have a responsibility to do that. But it's tougher to see the moral responsibility to a tree in your own front yard, again, to deforesting a third of the rainforest.